they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso with Maya. Me person me come any monster Maya.
I'm crying. Why? I thought that overfriend, Ebeko, so on. I thought that's why I'm crying. Hey, we are somebody. There, your parents will be no secret. This will be do gasa. I call him a catcher. Would you? A catcher. What did you do? Be a catcher. The only thing I said, you just answer my calls. Let's try again. Again. This is pressure, tension, screaming, tension. Sir Black.
Sir.
Why are you talking to me?
No, I'm not talking to you, sir.
Why?
I'm not doing that.
But I wouldn't come on. MK in my ass or man who years you across no more.
No, sir, I'm not talking at you.
Hey!
Oh, sir, no sooner did I reach here than you turn and saw me. I'm not talking at you.
But why
sir.
should you come and stand behind me whilst I was speaking to my family? I was speaking to my wife. So what did you hear?
No, sir, I didn't hear anything.
You did not hear anything?
I didn't hear anything.
You standing behind me
yes,
for some minutes. I did not hear anything.
That is why I said no sooner did I reach here than you turn and see me.
Anyway, if you did not hear anything, let's go ahead.
Sir,
what didn't you hear?
I look so pale. I look so purplish.
Why?
For the mixing of fanfula. In fact, I've not been sleeping for the past 3 days. As a teacher, I came to ask whether you've seen him or you know his whereabouts.
Why behaving like that? You are becoming more Catholic than the Pope. Why?
So,
I've asked you severally. Take it easy. I have people around. They are looking for him. Definitely we are going to see the boy. The boy is okay. You know how the boy is. You wouldn't listen. Why?
Sir, you would hold us responsible in case anything happens to Fanfula. That is why I've not been sleeping.
Okay, you'll be held responsible should anything happen to you.
Yes.
Meaning you'll be the head.
No, I'm not the head, but I'm a teacher.
You are a teacher, yes. So at the end of the day, my neck will be on the chopping block and not yours. So what is your wahala?
So sir, is it bad for me to look for the...
it's not bad for you to show your consent, but it's like you are putting the cart before the horse. Why?
So sir, you mean you haven't heard anything from Fanfula?
The thing is, I've not heard from him. But what I've done is I have some people around. They are looking for him, and I know definitely they are going to know where he will be. I know where he is. I can't. Things can't add up. Why? It's like you're mounting pressure on me.
No, sir, I'm not. We need to act fast because it said the early bird catches the worm.
Does it look like I'm sleeping?
We look so relaxed. It is very bad.
Please relax.
You and I, and then the nurse. We look so relaxed. It seems nothing concerns us.
As I said earlier, I have some people around. They are looking for him, and I know we are going to hear from him, or hear about him anytime soon. So don't worry. Go home and rest. Sleep.
Then I ask for my leave.
Okay. Sounds honey, you mean can you do? What didn't who boy MK ni Emma Yan and me say at the life as a was we a nice man. Conconsa oh we'll be in who down.
Adams. Bisa wasem hwe me wiasade am chi ni nipa onka no kure me penipa onka no kure asem pa Adams asem a me bebisa no wo fa ne me pese bi twantro ebi du brebi no na to hia me mo a akofa problem girl Anderson no ayi be na ne wo
Abigail.
Abigail.
I got a son in our class.
Hey. Me ndim so be twantro. Me nimu. Ada me so ni Abigail na TV. So me ndim so ni Abigail na our class. Minim. Me chese. Mo chempra. No kra na senya no kre.
She, o fada bi. Me ni say wa na oboni dia mu say wa na wo kako. Ni say mo ke kanusko fa. Me a big girl. Ka you me a big girl there.
Yeah, Scanty, Adams. She asema me ka kire wo no. Gan no ne ntwempra beboa wo. Ebeboa wo gan ho ne ska wo. Baby ska wo no na be ma ese odi wo be ma didi ko. Fa wo be ma wura baby esika wo. Oba ensako ensaba. Eho ebeboa me wo fa. Uko wa enya me man ko. Se uko wa me ko ebeboa me. Hwe no wan jaya big da.
No beboa kwan be so.
Me se beboa me so afa e wu bi sam se beboa me. Ebeboa me. Eni abige enchimpre mu odin. Ha so ni mu se twetwe. Woni twetwe. Efra bia bi twetwe. So mu se twe. So abige mu se twe. Tisisi won na ne wo.
Ofa me ni wo.
Afu me ade mi chini ni pa asa wo twantro ye busa na sama. Ko be kan ko be mu abresa ade no. Pita wo no. Wa bana baga for the guest here. Me career. Ma career nchi.
Ofa me sinye
Me career no do firio. Me siga na ne ntwempra. Eno no antwempra. Ehwo na beboa wo. Me wo fa ne me. Mpese be kwa fa ba bi di problem abre me. Boa. Me gen me ka one ni me enu abom. Boa me won tete. Kura ne sem kuta gene kura no. Hold it. Hold them tight. Dia me ka kire wa no. Wote.
Na ofa say no kura mpo say me ne ge no bibi e kura. Ade na say weni abra wo push motivate me.
Na atsago honya nka onko enti boa. Let me motivate you. Bohoma hontete. Bugawuri na ye nyagi.
Ofa ma bebrebo mo school mo na opese me ne.
Ni na che bugawuri na ye nyagi. That's all. Boa.
No papa be mama pro ba du close kwa me mpe pressure say na big girl.
Kaji kamoni rafa ni ya pepese ofasi party ofasi shi. Kwa dai. Baby amwa wa dia sembe brew. Na fe ka sa be to be so na apa na. Adams. Yes so ma me show ma osi fifi a wo so hwa wo ma me ma ne se etutu. Adams, why me ma nkori etutu ana?
Ofasa.
Wa twa me ma me se etutu awie.
Ofasa be ne oba no.
Ka ko se semko. Esi na bobo gangan na o ya ma na tutu. She, na no bi se me show school na ka sa me emfaso ntrawo. Wo ko fa kana ba. Wo de ma me nchiw so ni fa precious ni gina ho. Ka good ka check. But to shame. So ma me ka sam chogen ma bisa no. Ma bisa gen wo say no kora wo ne na etwempra.
Me
bisa gen wo so no na wo.
Ono ande se ne so ne me na wo.
Wo se wo no na wo ho. Mo la bebre waka.
Ade no yesa.
Waka. Oba so kaso no wo ho a. Asa.
Ofa me ni.
Wo se wo no wo ho.
Me ni wo.
Why tata baka for the guest here ke makari anchi ke guest here de kunwuche. Wow.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pesa me come any months with your meya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day.
Hey, foolish boy. Yeah, right. Foolish boy. Like J. Foolish boy. Like J. How's it like? Let me show you.
Hey, Adams, no dey. Hey, ogun.
Nka me batoko. Ana wo flo.
Omu ye de wo too much.
I am now.
You ka ko da Opoku ne intim.
Ndo mo mu ni djuma bi edi na de.
Omo hwebo.
I want hwebo ni bi nu ntina ka me ba o.
Ayi tin me de me koda me hwebo. Ah,
Okay,
baby am agenda is sky you.
Chitubi. Two. Hey. Dano, be 3 days in coffee. No, my. Come be an only Charlie. I was very shocked though.
Ale. Also be you for school mark.
David, my obi on school am any do.
Nti
What you say? No for it me. Afre me bisame. Many understand live.
Sir. Yeah. I don't see day.
Bisame na me ma shime. Na me catch say. Dabi o aden what in way. O ha na o tre me gangster ways o say ono nye baby o tre na fa no. Ono say no kra. Me no kra say me understand for life. Person me na get near there. E wo yem move.
Hey. Another hey. Say me catch you. Yeah, who of no against you? Or you guide to the state say to there nyoma bi unti. Sorry to say nyoma unti na zo of our Jimmy Kaka.
Boy, I me offer no so say.
I'm saying sorry to say. Boy. And 1 hour for canon.
I mean one like my struggling to all can na or canam de ato me say me no lie me na get any lie bia.
Get now no no sisi and obi ani agi wo. Obi ani agi. Nti gay we also focus na ni gay we tina. Precious in your ba obetimi no watena. Boy, money that Adams. What I say, money that way guys say what about trapping life no more. They say only boys in am. What I say, you say we baby am they say when you at home. So this time around and also for ba obetimi no wire a boyle.
Adena. Way back many precious the end there no went me am frame I no went man you be.
Get near John. I'm penny for no more your many shade your baby on my wow Charlie. Or then I no be fa ho a later no agya no ko no akoffa sika ni bi. Sanity o. Ti wo hu ntem ne de ye wo fa wa kan de pa na akire. Any understand ntina.
But me still kan me man kasa sa o twen me sa me ka jo se me understand. Charlie say me nim de only 3 mu. Me for smart o. Me nim de only 3 e bi crop say me odada me na me ka say I know aka say no ntua me fees bi.
Ade na me ma kura motisa.
Ti de me kan ase. Ti de me offer.
Dem bi pese me bisa ade na me ma kura motisa. Nti ade na me bisa o. Ade na me ma nti mo ne ma ne wo ho ana mo de guest ne tete. Un se oba obesa akofa no we chiri nti wo de tete. Yo, hwe yo. O se to da me two for style bi die but ma sem bebre na nkasa bro. Ma me nka no kura chiro enye. Nti we ne na wafa ene ntina.
Do nim say ma zamani.
Oh, eno de enye ba wo man ho e wa bobi afa o se no de. Ah, chop de a we chop back bi afa. I don't say no ma. But the all fair catch on the team. Get kokone de forget no. Now we see here maybe so or 2 bill for 1 million say tonkuma na betini.
Fine.
Precious no.
Would have on the song on to bill.
And this is the tuntum nkuto na na nyina e besra wo. Ja forget it. Forgetting it the all fair canon. We cannot cry na chiro bro. Money down.
To no hu say me offer no. No cry no can like or check me and say hu say
on fan fully wo.
My dream pity and rich sound.
And then intina. And again intina get ready Charlie. Can and wo fu wana hu fa wani to for mo hwa de. Hwe. Get way. Unim go for a testimony ho. But I don't know baby wa me pese meka. Unim go for a testimony get way ho school mu aya. Hwe ye.
Na when na me twa kan se mu ya kire o.
Baby o.
Di ma hu no kan nim opoku na kam ne ko so.
Wana wajimi.
Dabi na se wonni wo na wonni wo no menye ne da se mo so sheme so me.
Ni wo opoku na akọ ka kire no.
Na sheme so bebre me pa adwen.
So na un free man. So na what other name? Adams. For my J level ni bi o. My J level no febi.
O level me fa me dem.
Undem. O you say me jai you know.
Undem ne na upia wonam tam utimi nante ma ho to.
You say me jai o.
We jai.
Oh. Me jai.
Wona mana tete.
O you say me jai. The first na me be come on but you say die.
We jai.
Oh me jai.
Yeah, me pen kwara me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pese me come any months so meya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm a bronze Jamaica. Me person me come any months so when Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill.
Yeah, man, proposal. Yeah, mama. Wooly man. Yeah, man, proposal. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Daddy. Daddy. Before play.
Oh, for Opoku.
We are made by my house here. Me, open ceremony, no. And I say, that's why you busan. Why? Why are you so sad? What is wrong? There be opera. Say the why you busan at one. You can't tell me that nothing is wrong. There is something wrong somewhere. What is wrong? Are you sure? And when you might busan, sre. Huh? Obako kwa di eni kwa che omuna wo. Yo obako kwa sre. Otu monim na efe dada. Nti uti wono ma na wo sre. You don't have to be muna. Why?
Nothing.
Opre. We think alike. We talk alike. We do everything alike. Opre. If there is something wrong, just tell me. If I have any moi, I can boy you.
It's just Scanty. He has been giving me problems.
Which kind of problem?
And I think my heart is broken.
You get broken heart from Scanty. Okay. I told you this thing already. Scanty will not help you. I told you every day. I told you. Say Scanty will not help you. But every day, when I told you, then you don't mind me. You listen to that Scanty guy. You see right now your heart is broken.
Do you know he has been seeing Anderson?
Anderson, babe.
Abigail. It's like they've been going out.
Which kind of Abigail?
The Abigail we all know. Which other Abigail?
Anderson.
Yeah, I'm not in the mood to talk.
Really? Jesus Christ of Nazareth. I'll be there. Jesus Christ. Brother Wilson. How? Sister, I'll be there very soon. Sister, your mobile money.
Mobile money.
Oh, your mobile money when you back to an Lazarus. You see what free man will pay out.
Lazarus, where do you use mine?
Lazarus, what free me meet me.
Ah, sister, they all
I need more your mobile money. No. Yeah, I can't free.
Any ever who's it to ask Scanty a man broken heart to know?
Why?
Now press on one to precious.
I precious.
P for prena Scanty a man broken heart no. I was sure no man in my busanas and around who's why they.
Brother Bilson. When my cash on countless time, send you all yeno, you all didn't who yeno. A bit me hano, my catch no. My catch and pay so if he doesn't, if she won't listen, then me who is on one in a cup of tea.
So get away, Uncle Sadie, you deliverance, pa, ya casa be the deliverance, get away on yabi. When say when you're broken out, what you want to know,
Brother Bilson. This girl, my catch on countless time, say, oh, this house can't let you be woe. So awesome. Niasa kama wale sa wani me wo hono wani bibi say that ah okay me kai ni na say
ya me afro nti wura fi kura sa na ne
wo kona kwa nan say anybody nan say me ko say me anya na oy
obi a wo
Lazarus
na wo ji hu di pa o
say kame mantum ata de kwa
na me fra we de na wo fra wo yi pa video call dia
friend no say wo ha nka me ba ya hu na me pese me do
ko nya ne Lazarus
hwe say me anya na so I'll be ready na no si ba no
Mohela watchre. Nini shoe lelele o se ari alignment to side. Opre. E bia me ka kire wo. Once wo ex kura be gina ha no mu ka. Ha, sa boy no bokun o. Ha? Ti say what so no agent ti say won so say. Won so ne na agent. Wo de oni ni nyai.
He has not yet told me that he's breaking up with me. But I think he has moved on.
Moved on, they will moving on a check. Oh, na unye. And I won't me catch the also so I won't need. O movie one day, da about him. I'll fight for you. Because of the love I have for you, I'll fight for you. You hear me? Munyeko na Opoku be kwamam. Exodus 14:14. Be bold. The Opoku will fight for you. I'll fight for you, eh? Okay. So where is that guy Scanty? You don't know where he is right now.
I don't know where he is.
I remember. When I was coming, he was with some girl. I remember.
Yeah, bye.
It's true. No one gave me a general, but man, who get Ukraine?
Opoku, which girl again?
Man, who get Ukraine? As in the cheese, no, I'm who, but again, you're Coco.
What's the big girl?
Understand now? A bit my own, but man, who get Ukraine? Share! Hey, Nasa girl, where Jimmy, sir? Alright, just when you're breaking heart, share. Fair. Listen to me. Put your heart in your stomach. Come on to here, man. I'm coming. Give me a 1 second. I'm coming. I'm going to fight for you. Do you know that, me Pawasem? You know, I'm going to fight for you. Don't worry. I'm going to fight for you.
Opoku, slap him for me, okay?
I should slap him. Only the slap. Don't worry.
And kick him. And bite him.
I should bite.
Use your big head to hurt him.
Oh. What's that? Yo, here's someone Saka. Ah, Scanty, the old reno. Someone Saka.
Good day, Sam. Dear Sam.
Who some me said dear Sam?
You pay for dream we.
We are wicked, oh.
Right.
Hey, Scanty, we are wicked. We are nipa born papa.
Right.
Who some that day? And then so now why?
Some of the men here,
Hey, Scanty me who? Now Uber school more from here. Didn't mean say be out there you cool, a calm guy be. So when you Scanty, you won't mean kukura na wo so. What you mean so? What you mean so na wo kukuru? Scanty. And then now they are precious.
Opoku. I my precious. O kwena me da babo ni 3 man na my.
Hey. Na se na wo jeje akura no, wo jeje na de na kotun so hwem keke me bo a. O mpa akura no. Ja ne mo obi open no so aboy. E na wo tete akura no. Aden Scanty.
Obi wan e pe no.
Se wi ase de opeye nya ana duonya.
Obi wan e pe na mi nje mu man. Obi
wan. No nya wo wasem. Aden ti na wo tete obi ba. Scanty wan hwe ni ya hu ni yo. Sisi aden ti na ede na waka kira akura na tete sa. Ede ase.
Na me o se den maka kira.
Me twambu na me to say precious te ho a wo su bucket si na ni so bucket ma.
Na dis ope ba go kan ona.
O ma Scanty ayi precious soon and so bucket ma. Obi betimi de dwale. Ade de nko a. Scanty. Wo de menim se nka de nka ho dwo nka wo betimi ne precious atena wo. Se wo de wo nya kura nya wo nya.
Musu no na peni su no ye de. Na wo su. Na won so okwa do anti asem ni na dimrika na gigi na wireless gan. Obi wan na pen na we nya me nje mama obi wan.
Emema akokko o musa yes de ma o musa ye tenten kakra. Sister on beti wakuma sisi ya. Aso o musa ye fresh kakra. Aso mu bu o respect o mu ye din o meti wakuma sisi ya. Ebi ne wo tete akoma, wo Scanty wo tete akoma. Ka so ko sesem so le beko we ko pe bibi ka kira akra no. Waja akra no kwante wa wo su no.
Oh yeah, wrong. Me sorry mfiri an corporation so nka bibi nchira no. I say my anything.
Hey.
Opoku see my anything. Ono ne pen no. Hey, Opoku jaja na me fa adwene we bia ma adwene na me we kura. Ne pressure.
Na so din. Na so. Bobo ba me hu me ka chen. Ka chen say wo Scanty wo moa no. Ampampa wo moa no. Akra no mpe na entempa na ka waka chen say oh precious. Me de me di wo di agro keke.
Me na me catch you say am.
Won peno. Eneni na nyina won peno. First no kra na won peno. Tese oni akra na de da awonso ma eja akra na sim. Na me be tua aka ma wo.
When jaya met am body abo.
Scanty, kama ba meku. Aboska. Ka odin aboska no ke be sesa be na abo ahia. Kama ba meku.
Meto abo.
Scanty, ope kra fansa prem keto bi se na hwe ade. O de so o ye be ma pa na ase, o be ma da hwe aso a fansa kam.
When me near remember how me, I won't remember. How you want new to see and carbon come in? I will. Say they be a banejo corner, and they be banejo in. Who will be a mount me a dream? I say,
What am say chi?
First all.
Scanty. Jim. What am say chi? Jim. Scanty. What am say chi? Jim. Scanty. Whichever me so. Scanty. Uni my brother me so me try say chi because onim dem timi here. Me onim me nya asem everlasting. Forever lie. J-bad. Scanty. Me onim say dem sit here. Me no nya asem ana me no wasem a na hyemitirim. Metimi dey acha opan so still na hyemitirim. Metimi no waton say didi, metimi no wasere so still na hyemitirim. Den am de bi be yo. Scanty. Ene na wona domo. Kwasi awadi nkwasa sema ntese na me be kan wo twa me search. Fine case.
Hey, Dennis, did you go fighting Pampula?
Okay.
You did not fight him? Okay. Have you informed his parents about him not doing
anything? I've not asked Pampula about anything.
Yes, I have to ask because the very day that I told you something about your attitude, you went fighting him and the way manner you handled the situation, it was unheard of.
It wasn't true. So I know I was very angry at you, but I can't be such a fool.
Well, if you've not done that, please don't try to. Don't do it.
I don't even know where you stay.
I'm telling you this simply because I know what Pampula can do.
But we've done nothing.
You've done nothing. He has our secrets. Please. He knows much about us. And moreover, you know my daughter is in this school now.
Your daughter?
Oh yes.
That's name girl.
Yeah.
Rachel.
Sorry I have not informed you, but it's not easy. I don't want this thing to come and tarnish our images.
So she's your daughter, right?
Why not? She is.
Okay.
Why?
Oh, nothing. Hey. I'm just asking.
Why are you asking me about it? Why are you so enthused to know something about... Why? Tell me.
Oh, it's nothing. I just wanted to know.
Wanted to know
your daughter or not.
She is.
Okay.
What's behind your smile?
There's nothing.
Hey.
It's true, trust me. Oh, but I said to be sincere with you, I have not confronted Pampula about anything.
Okay,
I don't even know where he stays.
But the only thing is we just have to be careful. Yeah. You see, I don't want any news about us to come out. Please.
You see, that day I was very angry.
Try to be controlling your temper.
You see, I'm short. I can't control I can't control myself.
I wish I could give you a hug for accepting that you are short. That's why you can control your temper.
You can, I think.
Hey, we are standing outside.
Yeah, me pen when I mean you the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Brussels with me.
Why always like this?
Oh, Anderson, why do you always want me to be a bad person?
I thought you were a guy man now. And you say Mike J as a song.
Whether being a guy man or not, Anderson, you have to know, say, next week you're presents. So this week, no, revision week. You have to and prepare.
But we are learning. Just ice cream. We will come back early.
No, Anderson. Exams week and Kasa, revision week and Kasa, and your PFU school man is not the best. That's what I said.
Just a day. Some few hours.
You can do that after the exams. Hmm?
Some few hours, just 3 hours, 2 hours, no.
Or you can just go and get the ice cream and bring
I want
it.
us to go together.
Or better still, you can even let them make a delivery. If it's just ice cream, they can just deliver it.
I want to go with you. You come back early.
Like, but I like you paying up though.
Oh,
Sometimes
please.
you just
Please.
think about it, but you couldn't.
I want to go with you. You come back early.
I don't have any problem going there with you. Any problem here, you can go, but not this time. This one, I'll say you see and they have to learn.
I love you. Precious. Precious. Nipa mi o, Precious. Yẹ́n náà yẹ o. Precious, nipa mi o. Ẹ ayé ṣe. Yẹ́n náà yẹ. Shit. Ẹ Bible. God! Hey! You don't know why? No. You're not coming for us to God. Jesus. Jesus! Papa, I want to cook a pin and Papa, I want to cook a pin. Sorry, my God. Oh my God! Oh my God! Janimu! God, Jesus! Doctor, why? What Brother Wilson. Aroma. Brother James. Brother James. Hey, you know, I say. Brother Wilson. Can you imagine? Bloody. Can you imagine? Jesus Christ of Nazareth. I didn't know. Brother Wilson. Precious to the major one. The precious are too paso. Precious to the major one. Brother Wilson, make us a precious. Brother. First doctor, Baba Precious. Mr. Doctor, what's up with the update? He's like everything is gonna be okay. You know what's wrong? Now second doctor Saba share Precious. Let me tell me who was so. Third doctor Baya Precious Nananiati. Sorry, I'm wadimu. Hallelujah. Precious one ton. What ton up bang come send one day chance no. Hallelujah. Me danya miasi. But me person me who the conditions this year and what is saying this year or fit ultimate kasa no ho actually I would say she's very fine. She's doing well now.
But na doctor ni ka say moja sembi I don't know. But if me nim say ombe here moja I don't know. See me say me be hwe kwase me moja. Inti me say me be catch or say nke bibi sa be ba na nka ye ho kwan be fa so a. Ka obetimi aboa na kwan bi sa so a. I don't know me nka say be ba sa ba in case be ba sa.
Moja me see negative.
Where then?
Moja sem de me ko ti moja mo ba.
Oh yeah charger.
Me see negative nti say ba moja sem de na munim film.
Ena me kasa me nka so otwe ba me say in case e ba sa.
Ena say in case no na me so me ma ya aware say ba say me see negative. Me de moja de me blood type there.
Ya kwa de emfa.
De me blood there.
Wow, ya kan sa no na ase ama me ho po kakra. Enti me ma dwen say me ko say metimi anya ayi eduani bi adidi ayi.
Na wa busa Scanty there. Na wa mu want man twe bi ama.
Me moja san.
Wow, moja
san. I'm not that actually fit. On say na me fasting so me sure that you fit sir.
Ne ya boss Scanty amane. Why? It's me to make her see ana.
You can ma me insisa me ho bra nanka. Yembo.
Any insisa ho bra.
All right. I'll be coming very soon.
Brady na me friend ne there. What do you doing ho papa? Ene ne KG2 bet be bon. Na me ba ko po fro. Precious or play. P for play. I mean sana ya le wate. Esa dia manwuramu bi pa na te precious ko wu ma bra. Ma bra kurai ho emu poison nom. Emu plaster, emu bandage. Esa kurai pa man timi afa na antom pa so a. Hey. We cost 90k. Yeah. Den ya no ho beto no. Ye o play P for play. S for sorry, what it?